Hi my dear students, let us begin class 7 mathematics simple equation exercise 4.2 the last question 4. Here we have to solve it. Let us see 10p is equal to 100. How can we solve 10p? As we know that we have to separate the variable. How can we separate the variable? 10p. If we divide by 10, then p will be separated. Dividing both sides by 10, you will get 10p 10. Here 10 gets cancelled. So p will be left out. 10 ones are 10 tens are. So answer is p is equal to 10. Now B question 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. Here we have to first separate this 10 because plus 10. If it we subtract minus, then minus 10, 10p plus 10 minus 10, 100 minus 10. Whatever we do, we have to do for both sides. Don't forget it. 10p is equal to 10. 10 gets cancelled. Plus minus, the same signs are there. 100 minus 10. 10p is equal to 90. Now, with variable there is 10. So, how to separate? By dividing both sides. To 10p 10. Here we are going to cancel it. So, 10 ones are 10 nines are. So, you are going to get the answer p is equal to 9. Now, let us go to the C question. P divided by 4 is equal to 5. Now we have to separate, p is already separate but it is divided by 4 is there. If we multiplying by both side 4, the p will be left out. So 4 get cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are. So both 4, 5 4s are 20. So p is equal to 20. Whatever we do, we have to do for both sides. D question. Minus p divided by 3 is equal to 5. Now minus p, how we can separate? Now we have to multiplying both sides by minus 3. Why, my dear students? If we take minus 3, 3 get cancelled. Here left out minus 1. Minus minus become plus p. 5 minus 2, minus 3. 5 3s are 15. So with that negative sign, p is equal to 15. Now let us go to the E question. 3p is equal to 6. Multiplying both sides by 4. Why? Hope you understood. Here 4 is there to get cancelled. Here 3p, if we multiplied, we will get cancelled. 6 4s are 24. If we dividing both sides by 3, then p will be left out. 3 get cancelled. Then p is equal to 3 ones are 3, 8s are 24. So p is equal to 8. 3s minus 9. How can we make 3 cancel? By dividing both sides 3. 3s divided by 3. 3 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 3s are. So minus sign is there, negative sign. So we are writing S is equal to minus 3. F question is over. Now let us go to the G question. 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. Here 3s we have to make it separate. How? If we subtract 12 by both sides, then it will be cancelled. Minus 12. 3s is equal to minus 12. Dividing both sides by 3, so s will be left out. 3 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 4s are. But there is negative sign, so s is equal to minus 4. My dear students, now 3s is equal to H question. 3s is equal to 0. Here also dividing both sides by 3. 3s, then 3 get cancelled. S is equal to 0 divided by 3. S is equal to 0. Dear students, it is one of the separating the variable and making this. But let us do the another method, shortcut. See, when we are in higher class, we must know these things. So 2q is equal to 6. I question, how can we separate the variable? Now I should keep only q. Remaining all things I should shift to the another side. Now multiplication become division. So it has become 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So q is equal to 3. Now 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. Now if I shift minus 6, it become plus 6. Now I want to make it still q only. So this multiplication 2 become division. When we transferring from left hand side to the right hand side, we will get q is equal to 3. But my dear students, when we are transferring, as I told you, multiplication become division, division become multiplication, addition become subtraction, subtraction become addition. Just reverse or opposite operations. Now 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. 2q plus 6, if I shift, it will become minus 6, 0, so no value. Now q I should keep it here, minus 6 multiplication 2, it become division. 2 ones are 2 threes are, but there is negative sign, so we have to write q is equal to minus 3. Here 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. So let us separate only 2q plus 6 become minus 6 when we shifting from left hand to right hand. So 2q is equal to 12 minus 6, 6. So q is equal to 6 by 2. Q is equal to 3. Q is equal to 3. Hope you are understanding how to solve it. I have taught in two methods. One is by separating the variable with the long steps. Another last few problems we have done in shortcut, but you have to remember the tricks. Hope you understood. Thank you, my dear.